Hello everyone, it's me Harsha. Today I'll quickly show one simple feature inside LemTask, which is Activity History. This feature is helpful when we want to check that what happened inside a task. Sometimes a task is updated by different people. The task may change, the due date may update it, or sometimes someone may add new details. If we do not have activity history, it can be difficult to know who changed what and when. That's where activity helps in this. Okay, so first I'm in LemTask website. I'll click on this URL and click on sign in and get started. Depending on what it is showing on the screen, I'll get login using my account. Yeah, now I'll get sign in, continue with Google. After this, I'll go to the dashboard. Let me go to dashboard. Yeah, after opening the task, I can see the task details page where I can see the title, description, everything. Like here, attachment, activity. See here, we can see an activities when it was changed, what was done, everything. Let me click on details. There's an activity. There was five activity done. First was like rescheduled, then rescheduled. Yes, there are five activities as we can see here. We have an task history or an activity log. The session may be at the bottom of the task page on the side panel. I'll scroll down and click on the activity. Here I can see the updates inside the task. For example, it may be seen as it was created, when the status was changed, when the comment was added, or when the due date was updated. This is useful because I can understand the full task progress without asking anyone. For example, if the task status changed from to do to in progress, the activity history can show that update. If someone changed the due date, I can also see that change. If someone added a comment or updated the task detail, that may appear in the activity log. This feature is very helpful for teams because it keeps everything transparent. No one has to ask who changed this or when was it updated. No one can ask the activity gives a clear record of task updates for new users. This feature will be very useful, and the main benefit of the task activity history is clarity. It keeps everyone updated and uh, users to see the track changes and understand progress in one place. This feature helps users track changes, understand updates, and avoid confusion and keep working transparent. That's all from my side. Thank you for watching.